Hello people, and this is me doing a server review kind of thing, but I'm sort of the head of advertising the server, so I'm going to do the advertising by showing you guys it. So the IP of the server will be in the description as long as this, and me and Krieger decided to do this with Krieger because he's epic, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, he's the best around, and this guy's looking at me funny. That's what he is. You want to start? Oh guys, look what I got. Pew! What do you think that is? Alright, put it in the comments below. You're obviously gonna know what it is. It's not any hacks. Look at that guy's blood. Oh my god, he must have murdered some people. So this guy's telling me about other people's. When can I get promoted? And this is all the stuff here. So basically, it's one right here. This is a nice wee town. They got tiny. I wonder if I can do slash plugins to second plugins. Ugh, don't have permission. Oh damn it. Well, yeah. So come on, please do come on the server. I'll be on the server. You're not gonna play with me, and I'm also gonna do more live streams, giveaways, and all that good stuff. Might be doing videos with my friends and some other people. So thank you for watching. Podcast coming your way and all that good stuff. 1.4 let's play tutorials, more of that stuff, and maybe some more stuff with Krieger. Isn't that right, Krieger?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you. Yeah, maybe some Mindsy with Krieger, and I still have to upload some Mindsy with Cookie. So yeah, so thank you for watching and goodbye. Please do come on the server. If you don't come on the server, I will kill you. I will do it. Don't make me. I will. And goodbye. Make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.